welcome back to Current Pest Control. It is Saturday, July the 25th, I believe. We got a little bit of overcast skies today. We've got Hurricane Hannah, just upgraded to Hurricane Hannah this morning, throwing some humidity and throwing some clouds up towards the DFW area. We're back in Waxahachie working on yet another bee removal. The bees are going in on this point right here. And I thought originally that I was going to have to be cutting out this soffit, but I went back in, did a little bit of exploratory just to reevaluate what I needed to do before I just started cutting open the soffits. But it turns out we're going in through this one. They're on this side right here. Around this little drip edge, there's a gap underneath the shingle, so I was able to peel the shingles up a little bit and get a visual of exactly where it's at without causing any structural damage to the house. So I'm going to go ahead and get all the equipment set up. We'll be right back, get this going in the right direction. Well, I started taking off this back trim board to be able to try to pull down this soffit, and all I'm doing is just causing more damage than I would normally try to do to pull this down. And what makes matters worse is this soffit board goes back behind the brick. So what I'm going to do is make some precision cuts to be able to just drop this, and then we can come back later to add in a couple of supporting pieces and screw this back into place so it can be caulked and painted. A lot less damage than trying to break out behind that. So that's what we're going to do. Make a couple of cuts, get this hive opened up, and then we'll get vacuuming. We've had snakes in the attic in the past. Alright, let's show you what we got to work with. Beautiful fresh comb. Not a very large hive. So we're gonna start vacuuming these girls up, get them into a box back at the bee yard. Once I started getting into them, they pretty much all but absconded the honeycomb. So I had to just start vacuuming them up. They started running into the attic space. So pretty much all the comb is now bare of bees. I didn't see the queen anywhere, but it's beautiful white honeycomb. There's a little bit of nectar in here. I've got some eggs, so I know there is a queen. I just haven't seen her. All right, that's all the honeycomb. So now it's just a matter of getting this cleaned up, checking the box for the queen, and seeing if there's a cluster of them in the attic space. Well, we got everything sealed back up on the house. I just got back to my yard to be able to put these bees into a box. I've got one of these metal discs on the front that has a queen excluder. I know the queen's in here. I found her. Sorry I didn't get her into the video. But she's a dark queen, tiger striped. So we've got her in the box behind the queen excluder. I've just got some bare foundation in here. I've got some running around I got to do. So this afternoon I'll come back, swap out the solid lid for this lid over here that has a cutout in the top, so that way I can feed them and get them going in the right direction here on this property. This is that box that I removed from that mobile home probably about 8 weeks ago. They ended up going queenless, and I did a removal with one of my colleagues, old colleagues, a couple of days ago, so I put a queen in there. And then back here I've got another little combination hive that I'm still letting get really good and established before I get them out to the main bee yard. These are almost ready to go, but that other one, because of the queen went missing, it really took a setback. So that's all I've got for you today. Again, thanks for watching Current Pest Control. Thank you so much for your business. Like, subscribe, ring that bell. Thank you.